by pumping, don't worry. I'm excited to share some amazing tips with you today. Welcome to my breastfeeding pump tips tutorial. Whether you're a first-time mom or a seasoned pro, these tips are sure to make your pumping journey smoother. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by pumping, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. I'm here to help you make pumping a whole lot easier, more comfortable, and yes, way more productive. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about choosing the right pump. This is a crucial step that can make or break your pumping experience. Manual pumps are awesome if you only need to pump once in a while, or you want something portable for travel or quick sessions. They're lightweight, easy to use, and don't require any power source. But if you're planning to pump regularly, maybe after going back to work, electric pumps are a total game changer. They're efficient, save time, and many models come with features that mimic a baby's natural sucking rhythm. And if you're exclusively pumping, trust me, a hospital-grade double pump is worth every penny. It'll save you so much time and effort, and your hands will thank you later. These pumps are designed for heavy-duty use and can help maintain your milk supply. Now, tip number 2, know your flange size. This is one of those details that can make a huge difference in your comfort and milk output. This one might sound a little technical, but it makes a huge difference. The flange is the part of the pump that fits over your nipple and areola, and getting the right size is crucial. If your flange is too small or too big, it can cause pain and even slow down your milk flow. Ouch! You definitely want to avoid that. The right fit means your nipple moves freely in the tunnel, no rubbing or squeezing. This ensures maximum comfort and efficiency. Not sure which size you need? Check the pump guide, or even better, ask a lactation consultant. They can provide personalized advice and help you find the perfect fit. Your comfort and milk supply will benefit big time. A well-fitted flange can make your pumping sessions more productive and less stressful. Tip number 3, create a cozy pumping space. This is your time to relax and focus on yourself. Find a spot where you can relax. Grab a comfy chair, maybe a snack, and make sure you have water nearby. Hydration is key to maintaining your milk supply. When you're comfortable and calm, your milk flows better. Deep breathing and a relaxed environment can significantly improve your letdown reflex. I love listening to calming music or scrolling through baby photos while I pump. It seriously helps with letdown. Some moms even find that watching videos of their baby can stimulate milk flow. Fourth, keep a pumping schedule. Consistency is key to maintaining your milk supply. If you're away from your baby, try to pump around the times they'd usually feed. This helps your body stay in sync with your baby's needs. This keeps your supply steady and tells your body what to expect. Regular pumping signals your body to keep producing milk. Use phone alarms or a pumping app to keep track and stay consistent. There are many apps available that can help you log your sessions and remind you when it's time to pump. Last but not least, don't forget to take care of yourself. Your well-being is just as important as your baby's. Stay hydrated, eat nourishing snacks, and give yourself plenty of TLC. Self-care is essential for maintaining your energy and milk supply. Pumping is hard work, mama. Don't be too hard on yourself if it takes time to get into a groove. Every mom's journey is unique, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. So, remember, the right pump, the right fit, a comfy space, a regular routine, and a little self-love go a long way. You've totally got this. Embrace the journey and celebrate the small victories along the way. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more mom hacks. Sending you and your little one lots of love and happy pumping. You're doing an amazing job.